Pardon, Anya?
Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack.
This is little mommy duck going.
Quack, quack.
Growing up, Emma, being 6 years older than me, has always been a bit of a second mother, might I say. And I won't lie, I very much idolised her as a child. I wanted to do everything like her, demanding that she paint my nails like hers. And I had ambitions of painting my bedroom pink, but thankfully, for my high school street credit, Mum talked me out of that one. Having said that, I'm somewhat offended that despite being a member of the bridal party today, alongside Amy, no beautiful bridesmaid's dress was organised for myself.
That's the bowl. That's the bowl and that's the plate. So the plates are flatter and the bowls are like this.
I want some food.
You want some food? You've got an apple in your hand.
I want food.
What kind of food do you want?
I want pasta food.
Pasta food? Don't think we have pasta at this time in the morning.
This is a little story about Adam. He wasn't always the great good. When we were going on a holiday, we got Adam and his two brothers to mind the house. When we arrived back, everything seems to be in order. So everybody went about their own business. That Friday morning, I put a bottle of wine in the fridge to have a nice cold wine and watch a movie that evening. That evening, I opened a bottle of wine from the fridge and poured 2 glasses, one for myself and one for Emma. But the tasting of the wine didn't taste so good. So I opened another one and from the wine rack, and it tasted the same as the first.
Oh no!
All the wine in the rack had been emptied and refilled and rebottled with water. But nobody had any recollections of what happened. Nobody saw anything. This reminds me of a story from the Bible of the water being changed into oil. This was the miracle of the wine changing the water.
What did you do?
It's all ready.
Is it swishy? It is swishy, isn't it?
I remember when I met Adam, I really couldn't understand what he was saying. I mean, I got about 1 word in 5. However, Emma by that time did understand what he was saying, and she just translated in real time for me.
I'm not going to read it too much, otherwise.
Adam has always had a thing for painting, and he painted Emma's bedroom and my kitchen early on in their relationship. That was a good move, Adam. Even through some dark times, he's painted the deck and the garage black. But hey, never one to miss a stylistic opportunity. It actually looks great.
Em and I met at a very young age when we were just young pups at the age of 18. We've had many years of shared experiences which have shaped us into the people we are today. Emma, you are my soulmate, love of my life, my rock. You've been the most amazing mother to our daughter, but everything you would be. And to our daughter Anya, you are the light in our darkness, the joy to our lives, our greatest achievement. And we are so proud of you.
Car! Oh, that car. The toy car.
What have you? No, I didn't think it'd be like that.
You're probably going to cry.
I know, that's what I'm trying not to.
I know. If you cry, I'll cry with it.
Okay, appreciate that.
Do you want to hold her hand?
I don't know what to do. Like.
You want to hold her hand? And you look her in the eye and you see her for this time. Tell her she looks beautiful. Tell her I love you. You look beautiful.
Get the music.
Huh?
Get the music, bring the icing. Oh, fuck. I, Adam Philip Kelly,
I, Emma Mary Hay Higgins,
do solemnly
and sincerely declare
that I know
of no legal impediment
to my marrying Emma Mary Hay Higgins,
Adam Philip Kelly
and I accept her as my lawful wedded wife
as my lawful wedded husband.
to the exclusion of all others,
I promise to cherish.
and tenderly care for you, to honour and encourage you
I will respect you.
as an individual and be true to you through good times and bad.
To this, I give you my word.
Beautiful, both of you. Well done. Breathe a sigh of relief.
Right.
Give you this ring as a sign of our marriage and a lasting reminder of the vows we've made today.
Okay, look, go on. I don't have any butter, I'm afraid. You have to squish it on.
It's on, don't worry.
If I had butter, you know, I could sell it. I'm just saying.
I give you this ring as a sign of our marriage, lasting reminder of the vows made today.
You, Adam, and you, Emma, are now legally married. Congratulations.
I love your dress. And I also love your mummy's dress. She looks beautiful.
This is you. Looks stunning. And you've been amazing.
Oh, no, yeah, sorry.
It took me a long time to sit down and write this, what to say, what I would get away with, heeding Anya's brilliant advice of keeping it PC. That's right, this gorgeous wee girl that's only been on this planet for 2 and a bit years knows to tell me to wind my neck in.
Are you doing cheese?
Mum, did cheese? Cheese, Mum.
With me coming from a family full of boys, Peter indirectly taught me about the bond between a father and daughter. So much that I tried to implement that thinking with Anya. For example, one day Anya came asking for chocolate and Emma was nowhere to be seen. So Anya could only have chocolate as long as she didn't tell Mummy. And I taught her to repeat after me, "Don't tell Mummy." So I gave her the chocolate anyways, no issues. All of a sudden Emma shows up and Anya, mouth covered in chocolate, proceeds to scream, "Mummy, I had chocolate." So yeah, that bit still needs work from my side.
Bring your hand.
Let's go.
I'm going to stay.
Are you cute?
Some that paint Adam in a great light, and most others, well, we're lucky. We've not got a record against us.
FTQ. FTK.
A good place to start down memory lane is Adam's man bun. If you're going for the lead man of a K-pop band, then you can say you successfully pulled it off. Weirdly, this wasn't before Emma met him. So Emma must have thought this must be edgy, which is definitely a great way to describe Adam. I must also mention that Adam tried to bring this look back during lockdown. Thankfully, Emma's threat of cutting his hair in his sleep paid off and nobody had to endure it again. Adam is a very thoughtful guy and dresses well. I once complimented him on some fancy architecture shirt he was wearing. He took this information and then bought me one for my 30th birthday. And I wear it every time I'm around him and pretend I like it to this day. A few weeks later, he also bought Big Bad Bradford, Buxy the same one.
You're flush and then do your food.
That's it, done.